Amsterdam Central Station.
So as you can see, we are here in Amsterdam. After checking in and dropping our bags, I had a very quick outfit change because it is hot with a capital H here today. After our hotel, our first stop in Amsterdam was Fable Fries. Now we've ticked that off the list. The next place we are going to is Albert Market. Come along. Beautiful. Two. Thank you. We ate a ridiculous amount at the market. We decided to head over to the Jordaan region just to walk around, explore. We went to Anne Frank House as well. We only looked at it from the outside because we didn't have tickets. You have to book those 6 weeks in advance, and we did not do that. Now we're kind of heading back more to a central area. We want to go see the red light district during the day and just see what it's like. So we're back into the area of Amsterdam that I would coin the more PG area. It's crazy how night and day the vibe is on this street versus literally street like on the other side of the canal. To me, it is wild, some of the things I see, and this is daytime, so that's pretty tame. Anyway, we're going back to our hotel so we can chill, unwind, because in the last 4 or 5 hours we've done at least 20,000 steps, so I'm needing a break. Several hours later, we have chilled in the hotel. I've gotten a little bit spruced up and we are going for dinner. I actually am not quite sure where we're going, but our Uber is on the way and I'm going to bring you guys along. So good. Where do we go for dinner? Encanto. Okay, great food, really cute restaurant, and I would recommend if you're here in Amsterdam. Also, it is time to retire for the evening. We're just going to stroll back to our hotel and call it a night. It is now day 2 here in Amsterdam. We've just gone back from the sauna and we've pretty much had it to ourselves. But having a sauna to start off your day is absolutely unreal. We decided to come back to our room and actually get ready for the day. But anyway, let's go enjoy day 2 here in Amsterdam. But this is where we're heading for lunch. Matt has made a great pick with choosing this restaurant. It's such a nice little find and it's right outside Amsterdam Central Station, so very easy for anyone that is coming in on the Eurostar or from the airport. Now let the feast begin. Try it like a sandwich. to a museum that I don't know how to pronounce the name of, but I think we're going to have the opportunity to see lots of the art history of the Netherlands. So after the museum, we've decided to come to 9th Street, which is apparently like a famous shopping district. We've come on a Sunday and kind of late in the day, so pretty much all the stores are closed. We've actually decided that because most of the stores are closed, we're going to do the final thing on our list here in Amsterdam, which is to try these Dutch pancakes from a particular store. After that, we're going to have to head to the airport and make our way back to London, which is sad. This has been such a lovely weekend. Ladies and gentlemen, we have arrived at the airport and this is where I bring the vlog to an end. Thank you guys for watching and I hope you enjoyed everything that I showed you whilst I was here in Amsterdam. All that's left to say is make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel and I will see you next time. Ciao!